Assalamualaikum to our Madam Fadhilah Binti Anuar. This is our PBI project. We are group 3. My name is Shahidah and I'm going to explain about the introduction. Okay, we are conducting a green building assessment on a residential project which is Molek Pine Tree that is located at Taman Molek, Johor Bahru. Our task is conducted using Green Building Index for residential new construction, and the attached RNC form is being done by my group members. Molek Pine Tree is a freehold luxury condominium developed by Berinda Properties Nirbahat. The units at Molek Pine Tree have 9 different designs, and it has total number of bedrooms and bathroom per unit. This freehold property is equipped with a wide variety of condo facilities. Molek Pine Tree is also easily accessed to and from the arterial routes of the Pasir Gudang Highway and the North-South Expressway (NSE). This makes Molek Pine Tree is a great home for those who frequently travel to the city or other parts of Johor and even Singapore. Okay, this is the picture of Molek Pine Tree. It has 2 types, which is low rise and high rise. Okay, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Binti FIZAL. Today I would like to present for my project-based learning titled Molek Pine Tree for my subject Green Building and Sustainability. Okay, next we are going for project information. Project name Molek Pine Tree, address at 7 Jalan Molek 1/27 Taman Molek, Johor Bahru, Johor. This is the project information. First, the civil engineer and structural engineer from Kim Loon Sdn Bhd. Kim Loon Sdn Bhd involved in engineering and construction services for a long time, and it is very famous in Johor Bahru. Next, the main contractor was Iskandar Malaysia. Architect from Sikatan Architect. Sikatan Architect, formerly known as CTAP Architect. And for landscape consultant, is from Global Asia Asset Sdn Bhd, GAAM. And other specialist consultant, Roker Intern Sdn Bhd. Local authority, Johor Bahru City Council and BJB. The total gross floor area for Molek Pine Tree project is 903 square feet till 4,676 square feet. So this is the building description. Molek Pine Tree is a freehold luxury condominium situated along Jalan Molek in Taman Molek, Johor Bahru, Johor. This property is a development by Berinda Properties Sdn Bhd, a Malaysian-based premium property developer with more than 40 years in the property industry. Molek Pine Tree has a total of 248 condominium units with built-up ranging from 903 square feet to 4,676 square feet. The units are housed in 2 blocks, one of which is a high-rise towering 28-story height, while the other one is a low-rise with a total of 6 stories. The property is equipped with a wide variety of condo facilities and is located in an area with an abundance of much sought-after amenities. So this is overall point score. For the energy efficiency, the maximum point is 23, but we get score 20. Indoor environmental quality 9. Sustainability, sites planning and management 36. Material and resources 8. Water efficiency 8. And lastly, innovation score is 4. So the total overall score is 85. The GBI rating for this project is gold. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is JABESH TALAN. So today I am going to present part 1 and part 2 of project-based learning Molek Pine Tree. First is energy efficient. There are 5 areas of assessment under this part, which is minimum EE performance, renewable energy, advanced EE performance based on OTTV and RTTV, home office and connectivity, and sustainable maintenance. Okay, next. As we can see, this is EE form. Item number 1 is minimum EE performance. Maximum score for this is 3, and this building got full score. Number 2 is renewable energy. Maximum score is 5, and this building got 4. Number 3 is advanced EE performance based on OTTV and RTTV. OTTV stand for overall thermal transfer value, and RTTV stand for resident thermal transfer value. This building score 8 out of 10. Number 4 is home office and connectivity. The score of this is 2 over 2. Number 5 is sustainable maintenance, and the score is full mark, 3 over 3, and the total score is 20 over 23. Then this is the data table of part 1. To get the point, the maximum score divided by total maximum score and time with the score that the building got, and the total point of this part 1 is 5.28. Okay, next is part 2, indoor environment quality. There are 7 areas of assessment under this part, which is minimum IAQ performance, daylighting, sound insulation, good quality construction, volatile organic compound, formaldehyde minimization, post occupant evaluation verification. This is indoor environment quality form. As we can see, this building got full score 2 over 2 for minimum IQA performance and daylighting. IQA is stand for indoor air quality. Okay, for sound insulation, it score 1 over 2. Next, this building got 1 over 1 for quality, good quality construction, volatile organic compound, and formaldehyde minimization. Lastly, it score 1 over 2 for the post occupant evaluation verification. Okay, then this is the data table of part 2, and the total point of this part 2 is 1.35. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohd Zaimul KAHAR. Number matric is B0918102001. So I go through the part number 3, which is sustainable site planning and management. This is we call it as SM, or other meaning we call it as site planning and transport, and site construction management, which is total point 39 point. So we go through the form, and okay, from this form I choose number 1, because they have the proposal building must complete with following requirement. And then SM number 2, which is public transportation access, I choose same point, which is 12. I choose score is average of point of our residential unit in the residential area as SM2A. Same as car park provision for at least 20% of a total number of residential unit, not more than 250 meter from the terminal. So we go through the SM number 3, which is community service and connectivity. I choose FROMAC, which is A. For SM4, open space, landscaping, and heat island effect, I choose 3 point, because they have a provision of additional similar landscaping of every extra 5%. And then for SM5 construction system and site management. I choose 2 point because for CIDB IBS score more than 70%. And then we go through the SM6, which is a stormwater management. I choose 2 point because access SMA requirement by 30%. And then we go through the SM7, redevelopment of existing site and brownfield site. I choose the FROMAC, which is a 4 point. And then SM8, avoiding environmentally sensitive area. I choose same FROMAC, 2 point. And then SM9, building user manual. I choose same 2 point. So total overall for sustainable site planning and management SM, total I choose 36 because they have because overall of this mark is which is 39. So we go through the data table from number 3. This is data table, the formula for get a actual total point, which is I got 6.39. So we go through the part number 4, which is material and resources, or short form we call it as MR, resource and recycled material, sustainable resource, and overall total is 9 point. So we go through the form. Okay, for MR storage and collection of recyclable, I choose 2 point. MR2 material reuse and selection, I choose 2.2. MR3 construction waste management, same, I choose 2 point because they have a quality of measuring total tonnage of the waste or trade load of the waste disposal. So we go through the MR4, recycle content material, same, I choose 1 point. But regional material, I choose 0 because they have no increased demand for building material and product that are extracted and manufactured within the region. Meanwhile, for MR6 sustainable timber, I choose same format, which is 1 point. So total for material and resources, I put 8 point. So we go through the data table, same as a data table number 3, and for overall actual total point, I put 1.55. So that's it from me. Thank you.
And I want to present about my part 5 and 6. So my name is Mohd and SHAHARUDDIN. So I'm going to talk about my part 5, that is water efficiency. Water efficiency is for the first point is for rainwater harvesting, which is it is encourage rainwater harvesting that will lead to reduction in potable water consumption. So in this form, they have 4 points. So the maximum point for this rainwater harvesting is 4 points. So in our for Molek Pine Tree, the rainwater harvesting that leads to more than 40% reduction in potable water consumption. So our score is 3. Next point is about water recycling, which is encourage water recycling that will lead to reduction in potable water consumption. So they also have 4 points, and the maximum point is 2. So for the score for our project Molek Pine Tree is 1. So score 1 is about trade and recycle same or more than 10% wastewater, leading to reduction in potable water consumption. Okay, the next point is about water efficiency landscaping. That is encourage the design of system that does not require the use of potable water supply from the local water authority. So they have two main points and the maximum point is 2. So the score is 1, that is reduce potable water consumption for landscape irrigation by same or more than 50%. Example, through use of native or additive plants to reduce or eliminate irrigation requirement. Okay, the last point for water efficiency is water efficient fittings, which is encourage reduction in potable water consumption through use of efficient devices. So there are 4 main points and the maximum point is 4. So the score is 3, which is reduce annual potable water consumption by more than 40% in our Molek pine tree. And our total water efficiency is 8 score out of 12. Okay, the next part is part 6, that is innovation for our project Molek Pine Tree, and there are 2 main points. The first point is about innovation in design and environmental design initiatives. So given here, there are many sub points and 1 point for each approved innovation and environmental design initiative up to a maximum of 5 points, such as in this. So our in this point, the maximum point is 5 and our score is 4. And for why the score is 4 in our Molek Pine Tree is uh, rehabilitation of existing buildings for use in innovative ways. Next, innovative use of building features to passively cool the building. Mixed mode or low energy ventilation system. Central waste conveyance system, and lastly is about heat recovery system. So other sub point, there is no innovation in this Molek Pine Tree. Okay, the second main point is green building index facilitator, which is green building index facilitator to support and encourage the design integration required for green building index rated buildings and to streamline the application and certification process. At least one principal participant of the project team should be a green building index facilitator. So for this point, we have no one of our project members that has participant in green building index facilitator. So the score is 0 point. And the total of our part 6 innovation is 4 out of 6. Okay, that's all from my part and thank you.